Hello everyone, welcome to part 5, volume 1 of Project V.G.S, the gaming social site. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a new and creative way I decided to do the settings page and the feed page. So let's get on into it. So this is the settings page. I figured I'll create something that won't bore the users while they're going to the settings, because that's usually the most boring part of a social site. So let's get into this. So here, of course, is the user picture, the user profile pic that will be visible everywhere. Their gamer tag, their basic profile information, first name, last name, gamer tag, and all that good stuff. Account, save, all this will be kind of tabbed. And I thought it would be pretty cool if I have this area, a portion of the tab area, explaining every single detail of everything you click on or type in. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by that a little later on. So this part is the profile, this part is the account, the activate button's there, and I'm going to explain that a little bit more in detail because I've already started programming it. Here's the feed page, nothing much going here. Of course, these are your regular posts over here. This is sort of your filter menu that will just filter your photos, videos, discussions, and things the gamer pages post. So let's go ahead and get into the settings first. Alright, so nothing much changed here. I will get into this. I sort of got a bit busy this week, so I will get into that next video hopefully. So actually let's start with the feed. So here's the feed page, same as the designs. There's a top and all here, just like Twitter. You can see the top post and all the posts that people post, not necessarily the top, which is basically rendered by the like count, comment count, likability, how long it's been up there, blah blah blah. So if you were to click on the menu or sort of hover over the menu icon, it lets the users know that this is a menu different from the main menu up here. So if they click on it, of course they can filter between posts, photos, videos, games, and discussions. Now none of this is programmed yet. It's basically just going to filter or divide up what's here. So if I were to click on photos, it'll just be showing the photos here. But I'll show you guys that in the next video. So now let's get into the settings. See, it's kind of mimicking the idea in the previous design of the post. So you have the user pic here, gamer tag, followed by your main content below. So when you first go onto the page, it greets you, welcome, lets the users know that it's simple, fast, effective. Now, what I was saying, if you click on any single detail, say for instance I click on my gamer tag. See, it lets the users know that this is the gamer tag, information about it. Now you can modify, edit, manipulate it, and save it, and it will change. If you were to click on the user pic, it'll tell you information about the profile picture. Everyone will see it, the dimensions of the picture, and a link to update the picture. If they wish to see their banner, just simply click on banner, dimensions here, their banner's there, and it tells you information about it. Same for instance if you were to click on first name, the last name, and this right here is your birth date. Now, no one will see the date on which you were born, but it will let the users know. It will give them a notification just simply saying that, hey, gamer blah blah blah's birthday today. Wish him a happy birthday or something. They can add in something creative about themselves. They can add in a website here. And of course, as you can see, all of it's changing there. The bio, birth date, location. Now this is basically for users that want to find gamers that are in their locations and help other gamers find them that are in their location. It also helps you to set up local networks, and I'll get into that a little later on. It's a bit complicated. And I decided to keep the trends here. just in case they want to see what's trending while they're in their settings. It's location, country. So if they were to click on account, it has their email here, which is basically their primary email, which will be sending information to your email, but not a lot. There won't be any notifications as of yet, and it explains all of that here. And the whole site will be made available hopefully next week, so you guys can go in and see for yourself before the hardcore programming starts. Alternative email. This is just for added security, just in case you forget or something happens to this email. Cell phone number, mostly used for security, but will be used for notifications down the line. Now this is the join date, so as you can see over here, and your last login date. Now if you wish to change your password, just simply click on password here. And you click here, add in your current password, whatever that may be. And it'll let you know over here, just in case. New password, add in a new password. So for your new password, it just lets you know, pick a new password. And it also gives you tips on security. Now eventually I will be adding a video here, just making a small little video saying what not to use as a password, as in things like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, birth dates and whatnot. Now I would like the users to use more than 10 digits. It helps to bicrypt, and the crypto will work a lot better. It also makes it a little bit more secure. So just a few simple tips here. Add lowercase and uppercase numbers with your 10-digit posts. Don't use anything like your birth date. Don't use your name. Don't use it typed in as in a number pad. That's too simple. And you retype it here. And the only difference between your new password and your retyping your password just lets you know that you are retyping the password. And it gives you some more tips, or the same tips before, and you can update it through here. Now, if you wish to deactivate, you will click on this nice big button here just to let the users know, hey, I want to deactivate. Just stop them just in case they accidentally do it. But anyway, if you click on deactivate, no pop-ups, all right here, all simple, easy, effective. They can click the reason in which they want to deactivate, select other. Now you don't have to enter anything, you can just click deactivate and deactivate. And you can just log back in whenever you want to. There won't be any limit as of yet. No limit, so they can log in a year or 2 years later. And if they wish to save the settings, they just click on save. And you just enter in your password and click update. And they can view their banner whenever they want, find out any information, gamer tags, switch it here, upload the profile pic. And I believe that really concludes it for the settings. A lot of programming. Actually took a few hours, quite a few hours, but it's worth it. It's very worth it. It matches the same UI of everything. It's very effective. Yep, very effective. Now the privacy settings I will be adding in hopefully next video, but I won't start programming it until the actual login and users start logging in, because that's pretty complicated. The privacy settings. Yep, just a bunch of on-focus events. But thank you guys for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you think of the settings. Do you like it? Does it match? Is it trending? I don't know. Sort of just invented it so you won't you won't see it anywhere else, just here. I like to add a little bit of new and effective design and creative ways to do everything. So alright, let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for part 6. Thanks. Hello everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking, sharing, and giving us feedback. Please subscribe, follow, and like us on the various social media. Be sure to visit us at avion.com to browse our projects, designs, and learn more about our many other services we offer. Learn how to get designs, projects, and more creative for free.